So in this section, we'll study triangle and its properties. We'll see all the properties associated with a triangle, but we'll do a visual proof of that. So we'll not use any formula or derivations that we know till now. All that we'll do is we'll see to it and we think that, okay, this is happening and we'll believe to it. So it's completely a visual proof of everything we know about a triangle. So sum of the measures of a triangle is 180. What makes a triangle? Different types of triangles and the centers of a triangle. We'll prove everything but visually. We'll just see to it and see if what we know is happening. So let's start with the first. Sum of the measure of a triangle is 180. Now see this triangle. Put it in any position you want to. Put it anywhere and add the three angles A, B, C. Sum of the measure of a triangle A plus B plus C will always be 180. Take any situation, pause the video and take any situation, pick up this three angle, add the three angles, take this 27 plus 52 plus the next angle, that will again be 180. Okay, this is 10 plus 160 plus 10, again 180. 99 plus 60 plus 18, again that will be 180, and so on. So this proves that no matter what triangle you make, sum will always be 180. Next property, what makes a triangle? Sum of the two sides has to be greater than the third side. So I say in this case my third side be 15.5 and the other two sides are 11.7 and 10.7. So if I add the two sides, it is greater than, yes, the two sides 10.1, 7.1, 17 is greater than 15, yes, it is making a triangle. Two sides 9.7 and 6, yes, it is greater than 15.5, making a triangle. Two sides 9.6, 5.9, yes, it is greater than 15.5, making a triangle. But now slowly see, as sum of two sides become equal to the third side, which is happening right now. 9.6 and 5.9, if you add them slowly, they are becoming equal to 15.5. And when the sum of two sides becomes equal to the third side, then it is no longer a triangle, it becomes a line. That is why you say in a triangle, sum of the two sides always has to be greater than a third side for you to form a triangle. Because if that is not the case, as you can see it in the figure, visually we proved it never forms a triangle, it forms a line.